Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how we can start a sentence with the word because. Is everyone ready to begin? Most students have heard their teachers say that you can't begin a sentence with the word because. I'm here to tell you that you can and you should. The word because is a subordinating conjunction, and any sentence can begin with a subordinating conjunction. The trick is to follow that clause with an independent clause. Is everyone following along? So you can say, because it's raining, we won't go to the picnic. Or, because it's so cold outside, I need an extra jacket. Easy enough, right? The next time your teacher tells you that you can't begin a sentence with because, let that teacher know that because Miss Denise says we can begin sentences with subordinating conjunctions, I can start my sentence with because. Goodbye everyone, thank you, see you next time.